Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian for note-taking. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which tool aligns best with your needs. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace, perfect for project management and team collaboration. Obsidian, conversely, is a powerful, local-first knowledge base, ideal for personal knowledge management and deep linking of ideas. By the end, you'll have a clear picture to make an informed decision. Notion shines as an all-encompassing workspace, offering robust features like databases, wikis, and task boards. It's a fantastic choice for teams, enabling seamless collaboration where multiple users can edit pages simultaneously. Its block-based editor provides immense flexibility for structuring diverse content, from simple notes to complex project plans. Being cloud-based, Notion ensures your information is accessible across all your devices, anytime, anywhere with an internet connection. Obsidian stands out for its local-first approach, storing all your notes as plain text markdown files, granting you complete data ownership and offline access. Its unique graph view visually represents the intricate connections between your ideas, fostering deeper understanding. With a vibrant community, it boasts hundreds of plugins, allowing for unparalleled customization and expansion of its core functionality. Obsidian is truly built for individuals seeking a powerful, interconnected personal knowledge management system. So, which tool is better for you? Choose Notion if your priority is an all-in-one solution for team collaboration, project management, and diverse content types, leveraging its cloud capabilities. Opt for Obsidian if you value absolute data ownership, offline access, and a highly customizable system for building a deeply interconnected personal knowledge base. Consider whether you need a collaborative workspace or a powerful individual thinking tool to make your best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.